In this video, I will explain how to create a Facebook business page without using your personal Facebook account. First, let's clear up an important point. Facebook does require a personal account to manage any business page, but you don't have to use your main personal profile. Instead, you can create a new personal account dedicated only for business use. Once you've set up this new account, log in and go to the home page. At the top menu, click on Pages, then tap Create. Facebook will now ask for some details. Start by entering your business name, then choose the category that best fits your business. After that, write a short description to explain what your business does. This helps visitors understand your page better. Next, customize your page by uploading a profile picture. This could be your business logo or a professional image. Then, add a cover photo that matches your brand and gives a clear idea of what you offer. Finally, fill in the rest of your details, such as contact information, phone number, email, and website if you have one. Double check that everything is accurate and easy to read. With that done, your Facebook business page is ready, giving you a professional presence without mixing it with your personal profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.